ह्या वर्सा पार्किंगेचो प्रश्न सुटावो करपाक आमी मुखेल प्राधान्य दितले पुणून पणजी पुलीस स्टेशनात कर्मचाऱ्यांचो उणाव आशिल्ल्यान सध्या पुलीस निरीक्षक ही परिस्थिती सांबाळटा। गृह खात्याच्या आदेशा प्रमाण फक्त पीआय आणि पीएसआय हांकाच दंड वसूल करपाची अधिकृतताय आसा अशें पणजी महानगरपालिकेचो महापौर रोहित मोन्सेरात हांणी सांगलें। मजगती पणजी येरादारी पुलीस उपनिरीक्षक एकलोच आशिल्ल्यान कार्यालयीन कामां तोच करता, देखून प्रभावीपणान दंड लागू करपा खातीरूय कोणूच ना। देखून गृह खात्याक ही पदां भरपा खातीर आमी विनवणी केल्या। येरादारी संदर्भातले सगळे प्रश्न योग्य रितीन सोडोवपा खातीर पणजेत आनीकूय पीआयची भरती जावपाकूच जाय। हो प्रश्न सुटावो करपाक 9 म्हयने तरी लागतले अशें महापौर रोहित मोन्सेराताचें म्हणणें।
Same thing.
There
Now,
is no parking easy.
Parking is a major priority for this year. Now, what is happening is also now, if you look at it, Panjim police station actually is very understaffed. There is a shortage around 30-40 traffic police plus 50-60 town police. Now, luckily, at least our PIs are very good, so they are managing the situation. Now, there has been an order passed from the Home Department stating that only PIs and PSIs can fine. Now, there is one PSI in Panjim who sits in the office because he has administrative work. So, there is basically nobody to fine anybody. So we had requested the government or requested the Home Department to basically fill those posts because there are some PSIs, there are 7 PSIs in Ponda, 8 PSIs somewhere else. So those people should be brought over to Panjim so at least our traffic situation is thing. So then it will they'll have some control. See, through collector we have already passed that notification banning taxis. This traffic issue is not a 1 month issue. This will be at least a 6 month to 8 month to 9 month issue. Now there are people who are parking on zebra crossings, who are parking on the footpath, who are parking on things. We have already done a survey with the police department, with the DYSP, PI, everybody. We have notified all of these areas. What we're doing is we're putting balusters, we're blocking these areas. See, this will take time because tenders have to be prepared, issues have to be notified, roads have to be done. So this will happen in the course of time. Just give us a little time.
We have to do something.
No, I know. But see, because nobody's there to find, if a PSI, if only PSI and PI is allowed to fight, PI has gone on bandobast duty. Then they are called for some VIP movement or they are called for something else. There is hardly anyone to find. That is why we are requesting the Home Department to fill up these posts, no? Because if we have 4 or 5 or 6 PSIs available to us, then at least 3-4 people can be dedicated permanently only to challenging and bringing traffic discipline into the city. Unless that happens, nothing can be done also. Now, we are working with the PI and he is doing a very good job with what he can do at the moment. RTO also, we've asked RTO to help us remove all these commercial vehicles, genset. But people now, all these people who are parking gensets, they should also have this thing, no? They are taking away parking space for the people. They also don't have any sense. So there is a lot of it is also civic responsibility that is being done.